Hi everyone. Sorry I can't be with you today, but here's what you need to accomplish this afternoon in our 30-minute ELA class. You're watching the screencast, so that was step one. And then you're first going to work in your Reader's Workshop notebook. So when I go to my notebook, I have the cover with my name and my favorite character. There's nothing to write on slide 2, but you should review the criteria. You want to make sure you're at least in the realm of meets. Completely filled out, responses follow the directions and prompts. And then you're going to start with slide 5 and say like, okay, did I fill out my thoughts and others' thoughts? If yes, you're good to go. If no, you need to watch the clips and go back to my thoughts. If you need these clips, they're in here in the Reader's Workshop folder. If you go to slides from class, the video clips are in there. So if you need those Diagon Alley clips, that's where they are. Okay, same for The Incredibles, an independent reading book here. Make sure you have my thoughts filled in. This was just a random example I typed in. Again, if you're making up something because you were absent, that's fine. You won't have anything written under others' thoughts. You could just write absent there. But you do need to fill in my thoughts related to the reading focus question. And you want to make sure the top is filled out for every single one with date, title, author, start page. Okay, that was my example. So 8, 9. Now 10, 11, and 12 were the excerpts that we did for our morning lesson last week. You only did one of these. Maybe you did 2. So these do not all need to be filled out. One of them needs to be filled out with specific words and phrases and emotions and imagery. Just one needs to be filled out. If you want to delete the other ones, that's fine, but I expect to see one of these done and done well. And then we did some work in the independent reading book. And then slide 14 and slide 15. Again, if you're making up one of these, you'll have my thoughts filled out, but not others' thoughts filled out. And that's okay. I'll be able to go and see that you were absent and know that that's why you don't have others' thoughts. Okay? So I'll be able to look at attendance. Once you're sure all of that is done, you need to submit it on Schoology. Submit on Schoology. And then there are 2 other things to do during our class right now. You need to do a self and group evaluation for Reader's Workshop. It's in Google. It's a Google form. You're going to put your name, your ELA section, and then rate yourself for Reader's Workshop. I don't know why it's cut off here. Hopefully it won't be when you have your version open. That's weird. And then you're going to rate your group members for their participation in Reader's Workshop. Group member 1, name, evaluation. Group member 2, name and evaluation. Group member 3, name and evaluation. If you had 5 people in your group, you'll need this space here. And then at the bottom, it says, is there anything else you want me to know about how your group worked together for Reader's Workshop discussions, any concerns, suggestions for the future, and you'll submit that. And then the third thing is just to open your digital reader's notebook and scroll down to slide 36 so that you can update your reading log for term 3. If you have any questions about any of these 3 things, send me an email. This should all take you about a half hour. And I will check in with you about it later. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.